What is up, guys? It's Jury here, and today we'll talk about Fiverr and how to make money on Fiverr. As you can see, I was working with Fiverr like 1 year, I guess, or something. I was really active, maybe 3 months only, and made here some money. And what I would like to say, it's today I will show you another guy who is successful on Fiverr, because at the moment I left Fiverr and I'm doing affiliate marketing and creating small websites like this one. And it's like affiliate website where people, for example, search for product and find my website, find product what they uh, so they find product and use coupon for it, so they get discount and I get commission. So really interesting idea. But I would like to give a small review for this guy. He's top rated seller. He has very high rating, as you can see, 5 stars and more than 100 reviews. And as well, it's a Fiverr choice, so Fiverr highly recommends this guy. Yes, basic service what he offer is you may think it's too much, like more than like 50, like it's almost $500. You think it's cost too much, then you're probably wrong, because he provides digital service, and he will create for you um, fully functional website in reselling. So just imagine example how this website could work. So for example, you will get order for $800, and it's like reselling. So you will take order for $800, and you will give it to your graphic designer, who makes this work for $200. And so your revenue will be in this case $600. So like this. And of course you can make pay like $300 or 400. You will still make good revenue here in reselling. So what he will do for you, so here are topics. Yes, and for every topic, so he will give you contacts for people who will so for example, let's say uh, you will select a design service, so he'll create fulfill website for you on WordPress or Shopify. And so we'll buy domain, create WordPress website, we'll make this website attractive, so he'll show you how to attract customers. And he will give you contacts for workers who will make this work for cheap. And everything what you need to do is just you need to send emails like between this graphic designer and customers. So just need to be in communication always. So really easy, really. So what I would like to say, if you want to make quick money, and if you want to make stable business online, especially now, you should use this guy's service, and I will put link to his service in this video description below. So as you can see, many people here are a lot of so here is question answers. You can read them as well. As you can see, all his reviews, so as you can see, no bad reviews at all. So he provides super quality service, and almost all people, only two people left 4 stars, and all other people left 5 stars rating. So you can read more about it. So I'll put link. And if you have any questions about Fiverr, please comment on this video. We'll try to help you. So guys, if you want to start your online business, I recommend start from this one and from Fiverr. Have a nice day. Bye.